Now, forewarn weather with cutting-edge technology for the most up-to-the-minute forecast in southeast Michigan.
Ron Hilliard joins me now, and I know we have some pretty hot weather coming our way, enough to warrant a forewarn alert.
That's right. We do have some concerns on the way, especially tomorrow. If you think it's hot today, it's really going to rev up with that heat out there. Pamela, here's what we are seeing out there. A beautiful day when it comes to the weather. It's mostly sunny to partly cloudy across the region. You see right there, people are enjoying themselves in Hart Plaza and along the International Riverfront. You go out into Belleville, another beautiful day for people out on Belleville Lake. Now, the temperatures out there, they're on the warmer side already right now. We're at 83 at Metro Airport, 84 in Ann Arbor, 84 as far north as Lapeer, 81 in Port Huron. But as I mentioned, we are going to see those temperatures going even higher tomorrow. For that reason, we will have an excessive heat watch going into effect tomorrow afternoon and lasting through Friday evening. Now, it's very possible that this watch right here could be upgraded to an excessive heat warning as it is warranted. Now, another concern is the air quality. We will have the heat, the humidity, and the potential for elevated ozone levels. This is going to be a concern in areas mostly south of I-69. So in Livingston, Oakland, Macomb, St. Clair, Washtenaw, Wayne, and Monroe counties, we are going to be under that advisory through tomorrow. Now, that heat advisory, or I should say that excessive heat watch, is for all of southeast Michigan. The air quality is going to be of greatest concern for those who are in the unhealthy, sensitive group range. That's for those who have existing conditions, perhaps asthma, or are otherwise sensitive, perhaps infants or senior citizens. Now, the air quality, as you can see right here, is going to be greater concern over the eastern portions of our region, southeast Michigan. Also, as you go over to the west side of the state, near the shoreline, Muskegon, you will have concerns over there as well. That is for the rest up to date. We've had those concerns right here throughout the day with the heat and humidity that we've already seen. We get into tomorrow, and here it is. We boost up a little bit higher into that range that gets a little closer to poor, with that yellow and some of those orange colors getting into Metro Detroit. So something to keep in mind when it comes to the satellite and radar. A few showers have been popping up in northern Michigan, mainly as you get north of the Gladwin area. It's quite possible to see a couple of those sprinkles, maybe trying to clip northern portions of the thumb, talking about areas such as Port Austin. Otherwise, here in southeast Michigan, we are going to avoid that rainfall until at least tomorrow, and I'm going to show you when that arrives. As we look across the area, we have this warmer air that has pushed into our region with that warm front well to our north now. Some showers of thunderstorms popping up just to the west of Chicago. Some of that moisture getting into our area tomorrow. So clouds and radar forecasts. We get into tomorrow morning, things are all right, but we get into the afternoon hours around 2 o'clock. That's when we have the chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms popping up across the area. Getting into later hours in the evening and early evening hours, we could see a few of those showers and thunderstorms still lingering around. Getting into the nighttime hours, things by that time will have cleared out. But we have an active pattern throughout the week, and we can see more showers and thunderstorms hit or miss throughout the week, including even on Tuesday afternoon. There's a chance of a couple of spotty showers. They'll be widely scattered, so where you see them right now, it's not necessarily where they will be in the forecast when that time arrives. Tuesday evening, as we get towards 6 o'clock, you'll see that there's a better chance of some of those spotty showers across the area. And here's what we're talking about for those temperatures tonight. It is going to be very mild, and this will be the case throughout the week with those very mild overnight temperatures, not offering a whole lot of relief from the daytime heat. Tonight, we're in the mid-60s in Thumb with 65 in Sandusky, 66 in Port Huron and Lapeer, but we're up to seeing lows around 70 degrees. That's the overnight low as you get into the western suburbs of Wayne County, such as the Inkster area, getting over into Livonia, Plymouth, getting into Detroit, same situation. Tomorrow, temperatures getting up into the 90s. But tonight, we have those winds. They're pretty light, around 5 miles per hour, mostly out of the south and the southeast. Those winds start shifting, and tomorrow we'll have those winds coming out of the southwest, about 7 to 14 miles per hour. And with that, those temperatures are boosting up. We're going to see them around 94 degrees, and some areas pushing closer to 95 tomorrow as you get into the Detroit area. And we're about 93 as you get get into Sandusky. So a very warm day. Those temperatures, well, could be a little bit lower. You remember that the numbers may have been a little bit higher in the forecast before for Monday, but it looks like with those storms coming in, we'll have some increased cloud cover. Forewarned weather alerts for Monday and Tuesday with this heat and humidity. We are about 95 for Wednesday. That is right there with the record highs. Those overnight lows in the lower to mid 70s. Same situation for Thursday. A stray shower possible, 96 degrees. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, chances of showers, temperatures in the lower to mid 90s. Finally, for Sunday, maybe getting a few degrees cooler, perhaps getting some relief, seeing temperatures still very warm out there in the upper 80s to 90 degrees. And this heat stretch is something that is going to be of concern, not just because of the temperatures, but also because of the duration of it out there. People are not going to get a break as we go throughout the week, Pamela. The effects on the body are compounded, basically.